Please welcome si Woody. Woody ng Toy Story.
Talaga, oh.
Woody. Yay! Alright, started the time, guys. Please proceed now to the court once again. Game 3, Kumi, Philip, Balot, Bautista, Jao, Kev, Nigel, Riles, Curzel, Belmonte, Seth, Hamalote, Davey Prado, Jackie Prado, Hans, Anthony Lupin, and Dave Bongera for Game 3. Game 3. In an exciting Game 3 featuring Woody and Congress Now Barsaga. Congress Now Barsaga and Woody. Number 14, Woody. Number 1 comes to Woody. Woody, nice.
Hindi pala siya. Paano pangalan niya? Paano pangalan niya? Pahinga ka muna. Sa mundo
Okay, start na natin Game 3 for tonight. Featuring Dylan Harper, Gilbert Arenas. Number 0, Pastor 11. Number 6. Number 6, Pastor Dylan Harper. Dylan Harper for 3. Basic. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Pastor Gomez now. Gomez now, Kiko. Pastor Woody. Woody. Wow, nice shot by Woody. Woody, number 42 points. Pastor number 15. Dylan Harper. Harper, for 2, miss, airborne. Rebound, number 11, Umi. Number 8, another miss. Zero to number 11, number 11. Isolera, 4-2. 4-0. 16 minutes for Game 3. Number 0, pass. Winning the ball. Pass to number 11. 11, pass to number 0. 0 for 3, miss. Recover by Arenas. Pass to Dylan Harper. Harper, in away. Miss number 11. Number 0 for 3. Miss it. Gomez now winning the ball. Gomez now. Behind the back pass. What a pass by Gomez now. Ball, number 2. Dylan Harper. Pass to Gilbert Arenas. What a pass. Wow. Number 9 giving the ball. Pass. 4-2 in favor of Kiko. Woody holding the ball. Number 9, Lopez. Turnover. Number 6. Oh, behind the ball. What a move. Wow. Napakaganda ng galaw. Bilang pumasok. Sayang. Pasok, Kiko. Kiko, taking the ball. Kiko, for crossover. Pass to number 9. Number 9. 4-3. Hey! Grabe naman yun. Grabe yung passer ni Sir. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Gustong bumawi. Pass to number 11. Kui. Pass to number Arenas. Gawa ka na bola. Hinahawa ka na bola. Yung people. Turnover. Right ball. Congressman Kiko holding the ball. Setting the play. Pass to number 14. 14. Big point. Foul.
Sa tingin na lang pinam. Wala na ginawa na yan.
Number 19. Pass to number 9. 9 for 3. For 3. Miss it. Out of bounds. San Antonio's first ball. Gilbert Arenas. Pass to number 6, Tamayo. Fake. Tamayo. Uy! Pass to number 11, Kui. Kui, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Guarded by number 11. Dylan Harper. Pass to number 8, Tamayo. Wow! Nice shot. 4-7. In favor of Team Kiko. Team Kiko, pass to number 9.
Apelido. Oy! Anong good?
Hamalon gives it number 2, Harper. Give me the ball. Canatona's first ball. Number 9. Pass to number 14. 14. What a shot by number 14. That shot is brought to you by Jollibee. Dito ang saya. Shot. Dito ang saya. Dylan Harper. Here's number 6. Number 6. Block by number 14. Nice block by number 14. Number 9. Nice pass to number 9.
Basic sa basketball.
Basic basketball.
Diba hindi nakakapagod?
Airwall, Norman Harper. For 2. 11-6.
Sa kanya basic.
12 minutes and 48 seconds. Thomas Latigo holding the ball. Looking for a teammate. Pass in the middle. Number 14. Woody.
Sa kanya to, bago.
Number 14. 14. Side step. Foul. Wow. Number 14 on the side.
Pwede nga dito mag-practice ng referee, ano kuya?
Oh, Tito.
Talaga.
Number 9. What a fake. Wow, what a move. Muscle move. Number 9. Lopez.
Sige, mamaya.
Pass to number 19. Congress Miao giving the ball.
Asa ba yun?
Pinales. Congress Miao. Pass to
Ay, double.
What a pass to number 14. Number 14. Trying to score for 2 points. Easy 2 points. Number 14. Woody. Dito love story. Toy story. Number 14. Manalo. Wow, what a shot! Ang kaya ball shot by number 6 Tamayo. Number 9. Give me the ball. Number 9. Para crossover. Pass the move by number 9. What a breakaway. Wow, nice. Boy, really. 11 minutes and 30 seconds in favor of Team Kiko. Team 8. Wow, what a shot. Miss it. Out of bounds. 15-8. Engineer, holding the ball, Kiko. Congress coming to hold the ball. Pass to number 9. Number 11. For 3. Nice. For 3. Points. 11 minutes exactly in favor of Team Kiko. 18-8. Pass to Harper. Good. Out of bounds. Pass to number 9. What a pass to number 9. What a pass to number... Whoa.
Ganyan yung ano?
Another 2 points. 8-20. In favor of right side. Right ball. What a toss. Wow. Butler. 4-2.
May layout. Parang ano nga eh.
Wow. What a pass. Number 40 to Woody. Woody 4-2. Grabe naman connection nila yan.
Malaki lang.
Grabe. Number 6, Manalo, holding the ball. Pass to number 11, Kui. 5-4-3, air ball. Kiko, for passing. Pass, straight. Wow! Grabe naman yun. That shot is brought to you by Johnny B. Bida ang sayo shot. And number 11, Lopez. Wow! Grabe, ano naman yun?
Malaki kasi.
Number 9, grabe yung hoops, ha? 9 minutes and 34 seconds. 32 seconds for change court. 26, 10. Number 6, Manalo. Block. Foul. Number 14, foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Cross pass to Harper. Arenas for 3. Air ball. Lopez. 10 seconds for change court. 10, 9, Leading scorer namin is the Team Kiko, leading by 16 points. Okay, now change court, second half. 10-26. 16 points lead. Number 6, what a rebound. Pass to number 0. Pass to 11. Harper, 4 jump shot. Board, is it? Number 6, Tamayo, what a rebound. Player of the game, player of the psychology. Wow! Number 6, player of the game ng Team 1. Grabe naman yun. Oh! What a pass! Alley-oop! Number 40. Pass to Tamayo, number 6. Number 0, 3 points. Miss it. Rebound by number 40. Number 40, give me the ball. Number 14, pass to cross pass. Number 0, give me the ball. Pass to number 6, Tamayo, 46 shot. Miss it. Number 22, bang! Grabe naman Panggayo. Yo, number 6. 14-28. Comico, pass for 3. Miss it. Number 22, Butler for rebound. Pass to Arinas. Number 6. Wow, what a Euro step! Pass to number 14, turnover. 19, number 14, alley-oop pala yun. Pass to number 9, Lopez. Pass to number 14, Moody. Power rebound by Moody. Number 9, reset it. Moody, pass to Gomez, for 3. Miss it, number 6 for rebound. Number 0. 14, number 0. Nice! 3 points! Last 6 minutes and 53 seconds. Number 14. Out of bounds. Team 1 goal. Our score 28-17. Arinas pass to Harper. Turnover. Number 11, give me the ball. Where is it up? What a shot! Easy layup by number 11. Napaganda na play. Save it up. Pass to Tamayo. For 3, si Harper. Sayang naman. Number 32. For 2 points. Number 9 for 3. Wow, what a fake, what a shot. Rebound by 22. Classified 32. Number 9, Lopez. Pass to number 11, Prado. Easy layup. Last 5 minutes and 42 seconds.
Ganda kaya ng kaliwa sa video.
Pass to number 2, Butler. For a shot. 2 points. Kai Harper, 2 points. 21-32. 5 minutes and 23 seconds. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Focus now for 3. Rebound by number 40. Number 40, Woody miss it. Number 22, rebound. Agent 0 taking the ball. Got it by Focus now. 40, miss it. Number 14 for rebound. Number 11, Prado. What a fake, what a move, what a reverse. Galing naman. Sa ating leading scorer sa Team 2. Number 0. Pass to Harper for 2. Block by number 73. Kapalawin, block 22. Agent 0. Pass kay Manalo. What a fake, what a fake. What a shot by number 6. Tamayo ang leading scorer ng Team 1. 34-23. 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Focus now. Winning the ball. Looking for a teammate. Sending the play. Number 9. Pass to number 17. Abadone. Pass to number 14. 14 point pa sa 73. 73. Fake. Oh, out of bounds. Blocked by number 22. Out of bounds. 40 pa sa number 9, number 9. Higo, Kongres na Higo. What the fuck? Grabe naman yun! Kongres Miao, 4-3. Oh, bumawi lang. Team 1 sa 3 points. Grabe. Let's go, Higo. Oh. Good. Nice clean, nice defensive play by number 22. Grabe naman, nagpapalitan ng points. 36-26, last 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Doon daw eh, ayaw mo naman paglaban.
Leading scorer. Sila Kongres Miao, leading scorer. Number 22, pass kay number 0, number 0. Running by Pogico. Number 6, Tamayo. Pick. Lock by Habanero. Foul. Team 1 ball. Last 3 minutes.
Backboard!
Number 0, pass to 11. Stolen by 11. Pogico. Where is it there? Pogico. 38-26. Last 2 minutes and 1 more seconds.
Ba't kang sabi ako kuya? Change ko ta.
Number 2, Harper.
Ay, oo ma. Oo, wala naman na siya.
Number 6, Tamaya, 4 shot. Nice, 2 points. Kongres Miao setting up play. Grabe naman, 2 point guys. 4-3! Bang! 3 points kay Kongres Miao.
Kanya ano.
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Friend, ito naman yun niya.
Batak. Number 6, Batak play. Grabe ang talon eh. Grabe. Ay, action play. Number 32, Ping Chan. Oh, grabe. Kompleto yung right side. Number 9, Lopez Kisilip. Jelly naman yun.
Right.
Grabe naman si number 9. Kompleto yung kabilang side.
Alam mo ba to?
1 minute and 51 seconds. 43-30. In favor of Team Miao. 14 Kongres Miao. Wow! For 3 points! Nice! Grabe. 46-30. 1 minute and 38 seconds. 1 minute and 36. Pass 2. Number 11, Gui pa shot. Easy shot, 2 points. 46-32. Grabe na mga laban ko. Oh, what the pass? Kongres Miao for 3. 43! Miss it. Yeah, pasok na number 0. Number 0, trying for 3 fake. For 3 force. Miss. Harper for 3. Another attempt. Number 6, Tamayo. Is it? Lima by number 7, Habanone. Number 11, the leading scorer of Team 2 for 3 miss. Rebound by number 22. Number 22, giving the ball. Air ball. Last 48 seconds. Number 40. Pass to number 9. Number 9, pass to 11. What a good next shot. 2 points. 48-32. Harper for 3. Miss it. Number 14, number 40, 28 seconds.